Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. Good morning to everybody in America. Good morning from Vietnam, and good afternoon to all my friends in Europe land. Woo! And all my friends and family out there in YouTube land. Welcome, guys. We got a huge video for you today. It's going to be a mind blower. Wow. Dogecoin is setting itself up to explode. Not only Dogecoin, but we're going to see Bitcoin and all the other cryptos getting ready to explode. We've seen way too much consolidation. We've seen too many dumps in September. We've seen the China FUD, the China crisis, and we've seen all of the manipulation that's happening right in front of our eyes, and it's about to end, and we're going to see October absolutely explode. And not only that, I have proof positive that we are following this whole Wyckoff pattern, and September is the whole accumulation manipulation phase, and it's going to be a mind blower, guys. Also going to talk about Hubei. Hubei Exchange has just banned all Chinese nationals from their site based on the instruction from the Chinese government. So, you know, it's not looking pretty good for the individual retail crypto investor that's from China, guys. So it's not looking too good. It's Debbie Downer. So we've got a whole bunch of on-chain data that we're going to review for Bitcoin. I'm also going to tell you that we've got 5 altcoins that are looking and setting themselves up to absolutely explode and could go 30x. So guys and gals, you gotta buckle up. Get ready, guys, because this is the vanilla ice, the ice baby of crypto in the house, guys. And remember, this video is not financial advice. This is just an OG in the house expressing his opinion, and this video is for educational purposes only. So it's a great day to be alive. It's a Saturday evening here in Vietnam. It's been a pretty nice day. It's been warm. The sun's been out. We're still on lockdown, but you know, the lockdown restrictions have eased a little bit. You can now go to the supermarket. You can now go to the pharmacy. So that's an improvement, right? But pretty much we're still all pretty much homebound. We can't go walk on the road or do anything like that. So, you know, it's better. It's progressing, guys. It's progressing. So God bless everybody out there. God bless everyone, because this is, you know, a huge channel, and we love you guys. I just want to say I'm working for you. And one final thing, Dogecoin to the moon. Let's get into the content, guys, without further delay. Yay. I'm so excited, guys. It's a great time to be alive. You know, even though we had all this Debbie Downer stuff, you know, it's looking pretty good. So Bitcoin volatility continues at BTC prices closes in critical weekly close, guys. So it is very critical that Bitcoin stays above this level. And we need to talk about Bitcoin before we talk about Dogecoin, because Bitcoin is leading the pack. Bitcoin is going to dictate exactly where we're going and how fast we're going to get there. Okay? So don't beat me up. It's like, hey, Daryl, you know, I thought this is all about Doge. Why are you talking about Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is the leading indicator for crypto that determines our destiny, our destiny. And also too, if we look at the Bitcoin dominance, it's over 41%, guys. So with that being said, Bitcoin is really the primary driver right now for all the cryptos. So let's take a look at that. And also too, if you guys are building a portfolio, this is not financial advice, and if you don't have any Bitcoin and you don't have any Ethereum in there, in my opinion, it's a mistake, because you need to have a well-diversified portfolio. So all the newbies out there, if you just bought one coin and sitting on it like a chicken sitting on an egg and hoping that thing's going to hatch the golden goose, guys, this is a big mistake. You got to diversify, guys. You got to diversify. Remember, you need to have a little bit of Bitcoin. You know, listen, let me just break it down for you right now before I jump into it, because I need to get this off my chest. You need to have at least 25 to 50% Bitcoin. You need to have, you know, so let's say you got 25% Bitcoin, good. 25% Ethereum, okay? So that leaves you 50% to play with. And the next 50% you want to have in the top 10 projects, okay? Of course, you're going to have Dogecoin in there, and then you got to keep 5% of the last 50% in stablecoin so you can buy the dips. So that's very simple. And if you're wondering what a portfolio should look at, guys, you need to go to the Crypto Daily Trade Signals portfolio in the house. We made this live live, guys, on a stream, and the link is in the description. So in the link, you can see what projects we're invested in, and you can see what the percentages are. Okay, so that will give you an indication of what we're holding. And this is not financial advice. You can, this is educational purpose only. So you can decide to, if you like it or not. So you can see, even though they have all this ups and downs and China FUD, El Grande, and all this stuff, and options expiration, we're still up over a whopping 38.48%. So we're still holding our own. We're still in positive territory. And that is really, really keen. Dogecoin, man. And that is a great, great place to be, guys. And we're still in profit. So, so let's just jump into the Bitcoin price right now, and then we can see. So right now, you can see that the Bitcoin price right now is trading at 43,000 and change, so about 43,000. So there's a critical level here. This is, I made this purple line so you can see that, if we look at the Fibonacci retracement, we had this dump, we had this pump, and we were supposed to continue going up, but we had this breakdown. So it looks like we've had a dump, and we're going to have another pump. Hopefully it can break out, and we really need, we can see that Bitcoin is just at the 0.54 Fibonacci level, and it needs to stay. It needs to break out above this Fibonacci level to confirm a breakout to the upside. If not, if Bitcoin cannot stay above the 0.45 Fibonacci level, then we're going to be breaking down, and we could be retesting 38,000. But I don't think that's going to happen, because I'm going to tell you that this is pure market manipulation, and the whole Bitcoin world is being manipulated right now. So we're going to talk about that. So don't panic, guys. So what the takeaway is that Bitcoin is at 42,987 right now. As of time of recording, the price may be different, and so it's really important that Bitcoin stays above 38,000. And even if we go down to 38,000, I expect a V-shaped recovery, lickety split to 48,000. And remember, we've only got 5 days left in this Debbie Downer, this absolutely miserable September. And remember, Plan B did say that we're going to hit 43K. Plan B did say we're going to hit 43K in September, and we're right at 43K right now. So this could be a continuation of that till the end of the month, and then we have a S recovery, our V-shaped recovery, and we could start seeing 48,000. But I'm going to show you evidence that you guys have nothing to worry about, that Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and all the other cryptos are set up to explode. Boom! Explode just like a rocket, guys. This whole September, this last week, it's all about fueling up the rockets. Smell the rocket fuel, and then we're going to take off to Mars, guys. Trust me, and beyond to the stars, guys. We're going to be exploring new galaxies, guys. So, here we have Michael Norowitz, and he believes that BTC and Ethereum are going to consolidate. And, exactly, they're going to consolidate. And he says Luna trades are amazing. Luna's been on fire, guys. I told you guys to get into Luna. Luna's still in positive territory. Columbus is coming soon with the next Novo podcast, mostly lots of new projects post-Columbus. And post-Columbus Day, we're going to see a huge explosion, and everything is setting up. So we're seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum consolidating, and the pressure is building. And as long as we stay above that to 0.64 Fibonacci level on Bitcoin, and we'll be fine, we'll go up. Worst case scenario, we'll break down and go to 38,000, but we have huge support down there. And if we even go down as low as 38,000, it's going to be a huge platform springboard to take us up to the next level, guys. So don't panic, guys. Don't be Debbie Downers. Don't wet the bed, and don't panic sell. Whatever you do, don't panic sell. So here's another story that just come in. Brian Armstrong, Coinbase wants to be the advisor and helpful advocate for this purpose. So basically, Brian Armstrong, he wants to basically get all nice huggy with Gary Gensler, Gary in the house, and the dynamic trio of Felony Yellen and the Angry Granny. And he wants to go, and he's proposing that he be the advisor. He wants to kind of demystify crypto and help them understand what crypto is, all the regulators, and hopefully that will help. Guys, what do you think? You think that Brian Armstrong going over to the dark side and supporting Gary Gensler and explaining what crypto is, you think that they're going to listen and he's going to effectively change their mindset about they are disliking crypto, because you guys have to understand that the Three Musketeers, they have been paid by the financial institutions to go against crypto. This is basic, guys. So you think, Brian Armstrong defecting to the dark side to be the advocate, or is he doing it to help crypto, or is he doing it to help his company? I would say, my opinion is he's doing it for himself to help his company, and he doesn't give any. He doesn't really care about everybody else. I mean, that's what CEOs do, right? So, guys, hit me up with a comment. Tell me what you think about that, and don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, subscribe, guys, and don't forget to do that right now. So, some other news that's also coming in right now is I told you that breaking. Hubei terminates services for Chinese users in wake of crypto ban. So, basically, if you're a Chinese national and you're into crypto from a retail perspective, looks like your options are getting really, really limited. So I don't know how they're going to do that. Maybe they're going to have to use some kind of VPN or something. I don't know. I mean, remember, a lot of exchanges, you need to do KYC. So perhaps even you have a VPN but you won't pass the KYC, right? So it's going to be really, really complicated for them. And that's a huge market share. That's a huge market for the cryptocurrency. Is if the Chinese retail investors are now banned from getting involved in crypto. That's not good, guys. It's not good. So hopefully that things will cool down. But often things they ratchet things up, and then later they relax, right? Because this is all about the digital yuan, and they don't want other cryptocurrencies interfering with their digital currency, the digital yuan rollout. So that's why it is, and they're going to have max pressure not to involve other cryptos, and then after about 6 to 8 months they'll relax that and things will come back. So Avalanche, Solana, Sushi, and Movar could go as high as 30x after the dump. So guys, keep an eye on these coins. We could see Avalanche, Solana, Sushi, Movar. I don't know nothing about. I cannot recommend that. I would not recommend that. But Avalanche, yes. Solana, yes. I got it. Sushi, I'm still on the fence on that, but we have one analyst who's saying that these coins are going to 30x soon, and that's they're going to 30x pretty soon. That could be in October, guys. So take a look at those, see what you think. I mean, for me, I'm holding. I got to be honest with you. Full disclosure here. I'm holding Avalanche. I'm holding Solana. I'm not holding any Sushi. I don't like Sushi right now. And Movar, I don't know anything about that. But definitely Avalanche and Solana, I can say yes, they're going to be big movers, and we could see 30x coming in for those two coins soon. So that's why I didn't sell off all my Avalanche, and that's why I didn't sell off all my Solana. I'm still holding. I sold some of it, guys, but I was up 400%. So I sold, I'm still holding about 50% total of my Solana that I originally bought, and the balance I'm up 400%. So I'm still making baggity bang bang. I'm not trying to rub it in. I'm rubbing it in. So remember, but I bought Solana $18, and I was patient. And the whole key is you need to be patient. I waited, like 6, 7 months, 8 months, guys. So that's how you make money in crypto, is you need to have patience, diamond hands, learn to dollar cost average, and learn to take profits. You have to learn to take profits. Dogecoin to the moon. So you guys have to do that. It's so important, guys. So some other interesting stuff that's happening right now. So you can see here, these are the other times that, let me get my face out of the way. Let me move face out of the way. So okay. So these are my face is being cut off. So these are the other times that China has banned crypto. So let me get my face in here. Okay, here we go. There we go. There's a face. So these are the times that China has banned cryptocurrency. Ban date 12/5/13. Remember, this was the original crypto is evil that came out, and the Bitcoin price was 1,153. And since then, it's gone up almost 3,000. It's gone up 3,223%, and that's an annualized return of 58%. In 9/11/2017, they banned it again, and Bitcoin was at $4,000, just over, and ever since then, it's also gone up 941%. In 2018, they banned it again. They didn't ban it. It's just the same old 2013 ban that's been rehashed, right? So and they banned it again in 2518, and it was at 8,271, and it's gone up 400% since then. In the September 3rd, see, there's that September again, huh? September 3rd, 18, Bitcoin was at 7,000 again, and it's gone up 489%. So you can see here, you see, September. Before September, we were up, and then September we were down. Oh, geez, that's happening again. So 11/22/19, we were at 7,748, and they banned it again, and then we went up 454%. Then on May 21st, they banned it again, guys. They banned it again, and it's gone up 15.5%, guys. So you can really see that, you know, these bannings, the China FUD banning, they really don't mean too much these days. So people are not paying too much attention. So forget about it. So I just thought that it's kind of a fun fact, guys. I thought you guys love to see that. So here's some other information here. Look, let me get my face way out of here. Get out of there. So what I'm doing is comparing the 2013. I gotta find a home for my face. A home for my face. So I'm comparing. Let me get this in here. Okay, I think up there will do. So I'm comparing the 2013 mid-cycle pullback. Let me get that. Make sure we're doing that. So you can see that we had three-day bullish crossover. Then we back 50-day moving average on a 3-day chart. So you can see we had a 3-day bullish cross. Okay. So if we go to here where we are now in 2021, we're seeing exactly the same thing as 2013. And remember, 2013 was a double pump, double bubble, right? So I believe we're seeing exactly the same pattern pull out, right? We're seeing the same same pattern. Get your words right. So we're seeing here that the vertical line is a bullish cross on the 3-day chart. We saw that. And 2013, this is where we are here. We're similar. We're right here compared to that. And this is the recumulation, and this is the distribution. This is Wyckoff, guys, in case you're wondering. So if we go to the next slide here, we can see. Here we go. So if we go to the next slide, we're doing the same thing. We see a 2010 mid-cycle pullback, bullish crossover, 3-day chart. We're there, right? And we're heading up. So we're seeing the reaccumulation, and we're seeing exactly the same pattern that's playing out, that played out in 2013 for 2021. So you guys don't panic. This is the Wyckoff manipulation pattern. It's predetermined, predestined, and this is what's happening, guys. It's right in front of your eyes. Look at the patterns, guys. This is Wyckoff. This is Wyckoff. Look, it's Wyckoff. It's Wyckoff. See, the same. This is 2013. We're saying the same pattern. Can you guys see it? Look, guys, it's the same exact pattern, guys. 3-day crossover. 3-day crossover. We are here. And we're going to explode, guys. Absolutely going to explode. So, guys, don't panic. Do not panic. This is not the time to be panicking, guys. And it's pure manipulation. That's why Dogecoin is set to explode. It's confirmed. Why is this happening? Because we're following the Wyckoff pattern, and we're following 2013. We are following a very similar double top as 2013, and we have not even reached the second top yet. And it's not going to be a blow off top where we go to the top and fizzle down. It's going to be, we're going to go up, and we're going to meander there for a while, and then we're going to slowly come down. It's not going to be go up and boom. It's not going to be like that, because we have too many institutions, and retail investors are very different now. They're hodlers. So let's take a look at some more on-chain data. So if you look at the Bitcoin profitable days right now, you can see that since 2000, let me get my face out of there. You can see that since 2013, 2009, you can see that Bitcoin has profitable days consistently. We've seen that here. We've seen here in March 2000, from February 21 to here, we had some days were not profitable, and that's when we had these crashes, right? And then we saw that again in September. So right now we're very much in non-profitable days. But if you zoom out, you can see that Bitcoin is consistently printing profitable days. And because we have this whole Wyckoff accumulation, and we're going to see ourselves up to 180, could be as high as $200,000, guys. Don't panic. The printing is on the wall. Here's some more data to support the evidence. If we look at the relative unrealized profit and loss index, we can see right here that right here we're in the optimism denial, and you know, we're going down to hope and fear. But guys, I wouldn't worry about it too much, because you know, if we look at these trends, we go down, we hang around in the optimism and denial, and we every time we go to optimism and denial, we tend to pump up, guys. So you know, we've had our Debbie Downer month already. We've had Debbie Downer month. So I believe that this is going to do a U-turn. We're going to have a V-shaped recovery, and we're definitely going to go to euphoria very soon, guys. So I really wouldn't panic. Do not panic. And if we look at the reserve risk, you can see the most important thing that you guys need to look at is the reserve risk. So when we're in the red here and here, it means that the risk is high for losing money with Bitcoin. So you can see here that in 2018, it was up, and then we had this huge dump. Every time we get into the red, this signals the top, and then after that we usually crash down, guys. So you can see here, once we have the optimism here, this is a bullish signal, guys. So if you look at where we are right now, we're moving into the green, and that means that there's going to be less risk with Bitcoin. So this is looking really bullish, guys. So don't panic, do not panic, do not panic. So hopefully you guys understand that this is all manipulation in front of us. Everything is looking good. So let's take a look at the daily on-chain exchange flow. You can see that today, the amount of flow of Bitcoin, we have more Bitcoin flowing off exchanges, and that means people are hodling and holding. So we have 161.7 million outflow in total of Bitcoin, the number of Bitcoins, right? Price of Bitcoin. So we can see that Ethereum, we also had 302 million Ethereum outflow today from exchanges. Now, this is very interesting. So here we had 393.6 million USTD flow onto exchanges, and what that means is people are preparing to buy the dips. This is about people buying the dips. So this is also, you know, when you see more USTD flowing onto exchanges rather than off, when UST goes out of exchanges, it means people sold and taking profits, or their losses, but they're cashing out. But here we're seeing USTD go onto exchanges. That means people are preparing to buy the dips. So do what the whales do. Never swim against the whales. Buy the dips, guys. This could be the fourth dippy time, guys. So this is really bullish news, guys. So let's take a look at the total market cap right now. So the total market cap is pretty much been going sideways all day here in Asia, and we're at 1.93 trillion, guys. So don't worry about it. If we look at the fear and greed is right now at 28. It's, you know, of course it came down because we had that crash yesterday. So people's sentiment is less bullish, guys. So guys, Dogecoin is going to explode. Dogecoin is definitely going to explode, guys. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin price in the house right now. So Dogecoin is at 0.2093, and Doge has just been kind of going sideways, and we've got some major support at 20 cents, guys. So it's going to be going sideways. Absolutely, that's where we're going to go. Do not panic. Do not panic about it. And I believe that we're consolidating, and in October we're going to absolutely explode. Dogecoin is definitely going to the moon. Definitely going to the moon. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly. You can see that on the weekly we're at 42,786, and right now we're below our 21-day EMA, which is it's a bad thing, but I still think that, remember, we got market manipulation going on, in my opinion, and I think that we're going to be above that very soon by the end of September, guys. So we still have one more day on the weekly, so maybe we can pull it off. Maybe we can close the week above this. Let's see, guys. Let's see how it prints out, but I don't think so, guys. I really don't think so. But, I know that the whales are going to take advantage of this, and you're going to start to see some FUD coming out soon that's talking about this 21-day EMA, and it's very bearish, and the sky is falling, and everything is a disaster. So we're going to be seeing a lot of that coming out because I think they're realizing that the whole China FUD thing is not having the impact like they thought it would have. So they're going to have to try another angle to get you guys to panic sell. So we can see here that Bitcoin is at 42,999. This is on the 4-hour Binance chart. So we need to stay at this Fibonacci level right here of between 0.618 and 0.4. So if we can do that, then that's going to confirm a breakout, guys, to the upside. So hopefully you guys understand that. So you can see that we had this. We had the dump, We had this pump. We got rejected up here. We got rejected, and now we're trying absolutely to come back and force our way past this white trending line. So if we can blow past that and stay above that, and we need to get ourselves up to $44,000 to take that 21-day EMA and show that Bitcoin is above that. So I think that we're going to try to break out, and Bitcoin's going to try to power up. But I'm still pretty confident, even if we drop down to 38,000, I still think that we're going to have a V-shaped recovery and move ourselves up to $48,000 very fast if we go down. So I'm not panicking. If Bitcoin breaks below 38,000, then it's over. It's over, guys. But if we can stay above the $38,000 support level, then V-shaped recovery in October will absolutely happen, and it should happen very fast. It'll be very volatile, and it'll be like a rocket, right? Trust me. And you know that Dogecoin is going to go along with it. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is at 2,938. It's basically going sideways all day, and it's getting closer to retesting this $3,000 resistance level. Let's hopefully we can get up there. That's going to be really cool if we can do that. But don't expect too much until maybe Monday, guys. And right now we can see that ADA in the house. ADA in the house is looking pretty good, because remember we got this big conference, and remember they're about to do something with incorporate this Hydra thing, which is really related to DeFi. So this whole ADA conference that's about to start, this is going to be very positive, and there's going to be some really cool announcements coming out of that. So guys, keep an eye on that. We could see ADA hopefully getting way up here to $2.58, and ADA is at $2.34. I'm hoping that we can. I'm really hopeful that we can start to retest the $3 range soon. So guys, I'm not selling any of my ADA. This is not financial advice, just what I'm doing, guys. So don't panic. And Solana in the house. Solana is doing pretty good. It's been staying at my line in the sand, my yellow line all day, and it's at $140. So it's been painting green pretty much most of the day, guys. So that's pretty good. And it's attempting to break out of this triangle, but I really believe that we could see from here, we could see a 30x coming in for Solana, maybe, or pretty close to it. So keep an eye on that. I'm not selling any Solana. I'm holding my Solana fast. I'm holding it in my tight little hands, guys. And we're seeing that also Avalanche is also printing a positive candle today, and it's at $71. So this is also looking pretty good, guys. We have a little bit of a descending triangle forming here, from here to here in yellow. Let me just move that here, get that there, and move that up there. Bing, 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 bing. So we're seeing that. That's pretty positive. If the channel looks at something like that, take us down to this level, and so it's looking okay, guys. So let me just paint that over here, and then we can say that from there to there. So we have a little bit of a descending triangle. Some maybe even call this elongated bull flag, a descending triangle or bull flag, but it's very positive. It's a very positive structure, and I think we could see Avalanche having a huge breakout to the upside very soon. So with that being said, guys, let's just jump into the market marks. So right now we're seeing that the total market cap is 1.95 trillion, and the volume is at 94.59 billion. So Bitcoin dominance is 41.21, so it's a little bit too much for my liking. Let's jump into the coins and let you get out of here. So right now we can see that Bitcoin is at $42,749. It's up 1.22%. So we're showing you some green. So hopefully you guys in America, when we pass the ball to you, that things will be green and you guys will continue to be green. And the ADA in the house is doing pretty good. It's up 10%, and that's because this conference is coming. So people are pretty bullish. There's going to be some announcement of this whole Hydra thing's coming out. So, and that's $2.36. BNB is up also $2 and BNB is up 2.28%, $2. Come on, guys, get your words right. And it's at $355. Solana in the house is up 5%, and it's $141. Polkadot is also up almost 6%. That's at $30. Doge, guys, Doge is at 21 cents, guys, looking pretty positive, and then we're up 3.57%. So Doge is absolutely setting itself up to explode, and we're going to see huge pumpage, huge explosion, not only for Doge, for all the altcoins and the whole crypto space in October. It's going to happen, guys. Mark my words. And tell me what you think about that in the comments. And Avalanche is up 2.32%, and it's at $71.73. So things are looking pretty good. Look at Luna. Luna's on fire, guys. So $38.58. Let's take a look at Link is up. I told you guys to get into that. Algorand is up. Atom is up almost 10%. Wow. And Atom's up 15.31%. So I told you guys to get into it. Hopefully you guys did that. And Matic is moving. ICP is up. And let's take a look at VET. VET's also moving, guys. It's still a good time to get into VET. It's still a good time. Let's take a look at Pancake. Pancake is also up today, so it's starting to move. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Do it now, guys. Go to my Twitter. Follow. We got 2,341 followers. So follow. And don't forget to tell the YouTube algorithm that you love the channel. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Do it now. And don't forget to subscribe, Big YB, in the house. And don't forget to go to my linkies. We got lots of linkage in my video descriptions. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Go to Zen Music Addict. Remember, become a Patreon member. Do it now. Buy the channel coffee. And remember, become a channel member. All the coffees, all the patrons, all that goes to charity. It goes to help feed the kids, the orphans here in Vietnam. And they're having a hard time. They're hungry. So help support the channel as much as you can. And guys, don't forget to go to Zen Music Addict. This is the wife channel. I'm shilling for the wife channel. Go right here. Hit that subscribe button. It looks like that. Turn on the bell notification. Also do that for my channel as well. I appreciate that. And let's check out the merch, guys. We got hats. I love the hat. We got the hoodies. We got all sorts of great stuff. And if you want to, and you know, my favorite item of all is the Muggy Mug. It's full of happiness. It's full of joy. It's full of hope. Get the Muggy Mug, guys. So I just want to say, I'm working for you. I love you guys so much. And tell me how I'm doing in the comments. I'm working for you day in, day out, bringing you the top news, bringing you the fun, bringing you all the great stuff, guys. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! God bless each and everyone. Spread a little love. Spread a good vibe. Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! The Vanilla Ice of crypto. Let's get it, guys. Woo! I'm on fire.